Goalscape is all about breaking down goals into more manageable sub-goals. You can now speed up this process with our AI Goal Coach. It seems AI is slapped onto anything these days. However, we promise you this will make a big difference to how you manage your goals. Here's how it works. In the Goalscape home screen, enter any goal, then click the Create button. A window will open that allows you to add some context. Then click Create. Goalscape AI will then generate a detailed goal breakdown structure in real time, including explanatory notes. We use sophisticated prompts that we developed to render the best results possible. As we refined them, we were continually blown away by the accuracy and practicality of the results. What's more, Goalscape AI often suggested entire sub-goal areas we had never thought of. This means that AI suggestions are a great starting point for any challenge. You will have to improve and adapt those structures though, because the tech behind Goalscape AI are large language models. They reflect the body of human knowledge to date. They're not predicting the future yet, and they have a limited understanding of your particular context. So although Goalscape AI does not create a final plan, it does get you started a lot quicker, and we think that's amazing. We're continually improving Goalscape AI. We'd love to hear your feedback about its suggestions for your goals.